guy all cleaned up. And while it's coiled around, we'll just set it in the box so we don't drag it on the cement. Let it have a good loop. It's got memory left in it. And the sun out here is so toasty though, it should be fine. The client is trying to be helpful. Took this all out of the box for us, so we did not get to do our normal process. And we got the cord all scuffed up, which is not what we do. Normally everything stays in the box until we're done, and we just turn it straight up from the box to the wall. So
Yes.
here we go. There is a magic little placeholder in the side of here to hold this charging cable, and we'll get that rewrapped back around and plug it in. But the client will most likely want to test this. They have a Tesla in their main house, so they'll most likely want to bring their car out here, which I would encourage. Test everything, make sure it actually works. You know, even though the display may light up and say yes, it's wired perfectly, it's when you put things under load, it can really show what the wiring can really do. Because if you have one loose connection that's barely touching in a system, you can put your meter on it and you can put, you know, anything else you want on it, and it'll read the correct voltage until you try to use it, and then all of a sudden you're trying to draw power through that loose connection. And so everything, of course, meters out. It's just making sure that we actually under load, we've tested it and can prove it. I'm confident in my work, but it's to make sure the client's confident in our work.